All right, number 1 asked us to solve by factoring. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that our trinomial is in standard form, which means it's going to equal to 0. I noticed that it doesn't currently equal 0 because I have it equaling to 5x. So I'm going to subtract that 5x to the other side, and I'm going to be very careful where I put it. I'm actually going to put it in the middle of my x squared and my whole number. So it's going to be x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. Now it's in standard form, so I can look for two numbers that multiply to 6 that add or subtract to give me negative 5. So if I try 2 and 3, in order for me to get a negative 5, both of those are going to have to be negative. So I can pull those out of my x to give me x minus 2, x minus 3, and then I need to remember to set those equal to 0 and solve for x. So I'm going to add 2 to both sides. That's going to leave me with x is equal to 2. Add 3 to both sides here on this one, and that's going to have an answer of x is equal to 3. So there's my two solutions if I solve this one by factoring. All right, number 2 is also a factoring question. So what I'm going to do is put it in standard form. It looks like this one's already in standard form. So I'm going to find two numbers that multiply to 8 that add or subtract to give me 6. So I'm going to try, let's try 4 and 2. So 4 times 2 is going to give me 8, and 4 plus 2 is going to give me 6. So that looks like my two good answers. So I'm going to pull them over off to the side, and I'm going to set them each equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. So I know I'm going to subtract 4 to both sides. One of my x's is going to be negative 4. Subtract 2 to both sides, and my other answer is going to be negative 2. Those are my two solutions for that one.